people then.
Good morning. Morning. Look here, mama. Say morning to the camera. Here. Here. Morning.
He's too busy into Paw Patrol, babe.
Gotta do babe's hair.
Oh yeah.
Gotta do this here.
Yeah. Make sure. She promised me, yeah, that she's gonna do my hair today. So if she ain't done my hair today, you guys are subscribers. Get on to it.
I'm gonna do his hair.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do his
That's
hair.
why I got my hat on early morning. It's a joke.
I promise I'm gonna do his hair. I promise. It's just that, remember guys, I told you guys, ain't been feeling well. I'm feeling, I'll say about 80% better. Should be on 100.
80% butter.
Better. I've got the focus on. So guys, we have come out to our food area right now. We're about to get something to eat. Before we get something to eat, babe's gonna fly that drone. He gonna fly that bird in the sky. The insects out here are literally eating me alive right now. I feel so itchy and crawly.
Cat.
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 Yes.
Cat.
You like the cat?
Cat.
Yeah, so we out. I'm out. And I'm back. I'm gonna try shark.
That's nasty.
Our restaurant right beside our hotel. For the first time. We'll see how this goes now. Odika.
Can we go to the drinks first? Yes, please.
Your cocktails? Cocktails. I'm not gonna do cocktails. I don't really do cocktails, guys.
White color.
How's the vlog and all that?
Vermicelli rice noodle.
Catch me right back.
Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side. And I'll try the best.
Saudi cup. We're back again. Yeah. This is our friend.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
To make you feel this way. Don't let me down.
Do you do barbecue? Spicy chicken? Barbecue chicken?
Spaghetti.
Barbecue. Chicken. Wings?
Yeah. Look at him. Thanks. You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's still some up there. Like. Look at it, listen. Look, my look. You give it. Just went behind it.
You're here. I'm here squatting flies for my chest.
Smashing them off her chest plate, you know. Hey.
I saw the light.
Yeah.
My head last pain. I had to stop the night.
It could be you and I want you now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one.
Vibes. Yeah, man, it was perfect. No, apparently, well, not apparently, we got told that they've upgraded our room.
They've upgraded our room.
Yeah, man.
They've upgraded our room.
Upgraded our room.
What it is now is that it's a pool view now. So now we've got a better view. Pool room, view. So we're no longer 9:06. It's kind of raining out here. Upgrade time. Oh my god, there's something on me, babe. Alright, so here we go.
That I wanna stay here.
We are now here. Number 909. See our view. This is our new room.
Stay here with you. I wanna
But nah, we're here now. Thank God. To our upgraded room.
Yeah.
Cool views, man. Views. So we got the pool there. Restaurant over there. Babe went out yesterday to get us food. I already opened it. Babe went out to get us food from Burger King. And then he came out with these little cute sandwiches. Like, you don't ever get to see these in London. This is crab stick and mayonnaise. So neat. And the bread is and the bread is soft. It's actually quite sweet. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do after this rain stops, and from there I'll keep you posted.
Here we go, man. Imagine our dude fell through with some room service, man. Came through. How you lot doing? You alright?
Hi.
Yes. He's been looking after us, man. Good people, man. 100%.
Good morning. Jermaine, say good morning to my vlog. Good morning, everyone. What's today? Wednesday the 20th, guys. We are awake. I stayed around Jermaine's tunnel. The weather was lovely this morning. It's giving us a little trickle of rain right now, but we're about to get ready and get little man some new flip-flops that have the back strapped back because his flip-flops keep sliding off his foot, and do my nails, try to see if I can do my eyelashes maybe, and go have some Thai ice cream. Have you not ever had that ice cream that they scrape? We're gonna try that today as well. Oh, and then I'm gonna meet up back up with Babe later. We're gonna look for somewhere to go out in indoors if it continues to trickle down with this rain here. If not, we'll probably be here in the pool. Oh my God, look at this cat. Yeah. Look at him. He looks like Sylvester. Hello. Cat. What's that, my cat? He looks like a proper Japanese cat.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la.
Mama, the monkey.
Here's Monkey. Oh, is it a monkey?
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one.
Yeah, this is what. Yeah. Saudi. Guys, we have stopped in a restaurant finally called Juana's place. It's a mixture of Swiss. I don't know if you can see that. But Juana's place. I'm so hungry. Yeah, so we've stopped in here. We're gonna have some late brunch. We're gonna have some brunch right now. Here we go. Bye bye. Hungry?
Hello.
Yeah, so we gonna eat and get right back at y'all.
And I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild.
I had to get a takeaway.
It was nice, man. This place is popping. Wanna place.
Wanna play?
Aisle 9. Babe,
It's not in focus, is it?
focus. Oh, I got a mosquito background.
Wanna's place popping, had my rice, I'm taking it away, as you know, I can't finish it. Had spring rolls first, chicken spring rolls, that was nice. We are about to hit the strip. Yeah. Yeah. Out. Out, out, out.
I want is you. Could you come